Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Kaur. I am a PhD student at IIIT Delhi and I will be your TA for the course VLSI Design Flow RTL to GDS. In this tutorial, I will provide you with a head start on Unix commands, which is an important skill set in VLSI design. For this, you will require a Unix system, but if you don't have one, you can easily install WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux. And this will provide you with a compatible environment for Unix. So let us see how we can install Unix on your systems. So firstly, we will open Windows PowerShell in administrator mode. Here you can type WSL -- install. Now this will start installing WSL. This might take a few seconds. Now after it is installed, it is installing Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now WSL kernel is being installed. Now Ubuntu will be installed. This will take a few seconds. So it's almost done. So Ubuntu is successfully downloaded. Now the system is asking for reboot. So you need to reboot your system. After you will reboot, it will ask for a username and password. So after you set up your password and your username, you can easily work on WSL. Now we can open WSL window and directly run Unix commands on that. Firstly, we will go to home directory using the cd command. I'll discuss about this command in more detail after the next command. So the first command is ls. This command lists all files and directories in the current working directory. The next command is cd command. This refers to change directory. So we can move to any directory using this command. So let's say we go to lab directory. Now we are in lab directory. Using pwd command, we can check the path of the current working directory. So pwd, enter. We can see we are in this home Jasmine K lab. So next we can check what are the different files in this directory using ls. So these are the files and directories that are there. Next command is make directory command. So this command is used to make new directories. So let's try make directory tutorial 1. We can check if this directory has been created. So we can see that tutorial 1 has been created here. Next command is move command, which is used to move files and directories from one location to another. Let's try moving Unix commands to tutorial 1. Using ls command, we can check that this has been moved to tutorial 1 and it is not anymore in this lab directory. cp command. This is used to copy files and directories. So let's make a copy of a.txt file as a_copy.txt. So using ls command, we can see that copy has been created. Next command is touch command. This command is used to create empty files. Let's create d.txt file. Again, we can check that this file has been created. Moving to the next command, which is rm. Using this, we can remove files and directories. So let's remove d.txt and we can check that this file has been deleted. Next command is cat command. Using this command, we can read and show the contents of any file. So for a.txt file, we can see the contents are being shown in the terminal. Next command is which command. This is used to show the path of the executable file of any command. So let's check for cat. Which cat is there at user/bin. For ls, we can see it is also there at user/bin. The next command is man command. This command is used to show the man page or user manual of any command. Let's check for ls. So here we can see the complete description of the command ls with the different options. Next command is sudo command. This command provides the user with privileges that only the root user can have. So let's say we want to update the system. We can do that using apt-get update command. And we can see that permission denied. So for this we will need sudo access. So we type sudo apt-get update. It will ask for password, and after that we can see it is installing. So the update is done. Next command is du command, which stands for disk usage. So this command is used to see disk space used by different files and directories. Using -h command, we can change the sizes to human readable form. So du -h. Now here we can see the sizes are now in human readable form in kilobytes. Next command is df, which is disk free. This command tells us about the file system space available on the system. So here we can see the different file systems and the space being used. Using -h again, we can change it to human readable form. So df -h, here we can see the total size and the amount of space that is used and amount of space that is available on the different file systems. Next command is ps, which stands for process status. So we can see all the processes that are running currently using this command. So here we can see that. Next command is stop command. This command tells us about the dynamic real-time view of the running system. So here we can see the resources being used by different processes, the CPU and memory usage, and it is changing dynamically. Next command is bg command. This command is used to move any jobs running to the background. For that, first let's check what are the different jobs running. Using the jobs command, we can see there are no jobs running currently. Let's create a dummy job using sleep command. So sleep for 100 seconds. Now the system is in sleep mode. Let's stop this using Ctrl+Z. Now let's see again using jobs command. We can see that the sleep 100 is there, but this is stopped currently. So we can move it to background using bg command and bg %1. 1 here is the ID of the process. So we can see using jobs command that sleep 100 is running, and ampersand here means that it is running in background. The next command is fg command, which is used to bring the background jobs to foreground. So let's move this command back to foreground. So now this is again in the foreground. Moving on to the next command, which is history command. So this command gives the history of all the commands that were run in the terminal. So here we can see the list, complete list. The last command for today is who am I. This command is used to tell the username of the current user. These are the few of most commonly used Unix commands. You can have a look at them in the tutorial sheet that we will be providing. Thank you.